VAT flat rate scheme. Small businesses that currently use the VAT flat rate scheme may see their VAT rate increase under the new changes due to come into effect in April. The scheme was originally intended to simplify businesses' record keeping by making it easier for smaller companies to figure out their VAT bill. VAT is usually a two-stage process, where VAT-registered businesses are required to deduct the VAT on their inputs or what they purchase from their outputs or what they sell. However, businesses permitted to use the flat rate scheme use a simplified single-step process, whereby they only pay VAT on the sale at a rate determined upon their business type. This system, whilst simpler, can also lead to some businesses effectively paying more or less than they would do under the typical VAT regime. With this in mind, the government announced that new rules would be introduced to prevent businesses using the system to their advantage to pay less VAT. Under the new rules, those businesses using the scheme which have a very low cost base, referred to as limited cost traders, will see the rates they pay increase to 16.5%. So, if they sell £120 worth of work, including £20 of VAT, the flat rate amount payable is £19.80. Businesses that spend less than 2% of its sales on goods, not services, in an accounting period will be considered limited cost traders. A company will also be considered a limited cost trader if it spends less than £1,000 a year, even if this is more than 2% of the firm's turnover on goods. When working out the amount spent on goods, it cannot include purchases of capital goods, food and drink, vehicles or parts for vehicles. This must be assessed and reported on a quarter-by-quarter basis. The types of businesses that are most likely to be affected are IT contractors, consultants, hairdressers, and accountancy firms, where they rely heavily on labour with very little other costs. If your business falls under the remit of a limited cost trader and you are concerned about the additional VAT costs as a result of these changes, or think you may benefit from leaving the scheme, then please contact us to find out how we can help you.